Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark the top of the gourd so that you get a level cut, removing the top portion. I'm going to be using a funny little wooden device, but you can also use a stack of books or anything else that's around to prop your pencil up on. Here goes. Now the device that I use, you can probably just see it over here, to mark. This is a base, a piece of dowel, a piece of wood on it, and a pencil, and I'm just going to rotate the gourd and let the pencil make the mark. You can make something like this pretty easily, and you could use a stack of books if you had to. When you're doing this, it might not be exact, and you might have to go around quite a few times until you figure out what really is what's going to be the base of your gourd, because see how it's rocking? So I'm going to have to go around quite a few times and kind of take an average of what I find. And when it's all done, I can always even that up a little bit more. I think I actually want this down about an inch. I think I want it at a wider spot so I can have more of a neck to it and more weaving showing. Just going to go down some more. All of these marks come off pretty easily. You just use a damp cloth and they'll come off. That one, so try and envision. And you know what, if I cut it and it looks like it's coming too much like that, then I can always drop it down a little bit, but I just want to watch. I want at least this much above, maybe twice as much, just for that proportion. I'll try it on this one. This one I want right around here. So I'm going to do a preliminary. So it sits better. I'm going to do a preliminary and imagine what it looks like, and that could be pretty good. This one's probably going to be about the same. What a shame to cut off that top. I think I'll save a little bit more. At this point, you just keep going until you feel like you have a really good mark, because the gourd jumps around, the pencil jumps around. You do want something that's going to be level. I don't want it to look like a coconut, so I'm just kind of envisioning what's it going to look like when I cut it there. Is it going to look nice and proportionate with that band? And yeah, I think it's good. So like I said, this is just a block of wood, a dowel, a piece of wood with a hole drilled in it and a pencil stuck in it. Looks like this on the top where it just slid over the dowel. And I can do extremely tall gourds, I can do extremely short gourds, and it just makes things a little bit easier. You can tell I've done a lot more gourds in this size frame than this because it's really stiff up here. It's a lot looser down there, but you can make something like this for yourself very easily. I hope you found that useful, and thank you for watching. In the third episode, I am going to show you how to mark the design, how to plot out what you're going to put in that cartouche. So please click the subscribe button so that you'll get notifications for the next videos, and I'll see you there.